In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in PowerPoint Online Microsoft 360. We'll walk through exactly where to find the setting, what each option means, and how to switch to a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially when you're working at night. Start by opening PowerPoint in your web browser as part of Microsoft 365. Once your presentation is open, we're going to head to your account area. Look toward the top of the window and click on Account. Depending on your layout, you may see Account in the menu or under your profile area. If the page doesn't appear right away, click on Account again to make sure you're on the correct screen. The goal is to open the account view where PowerPoint lists your personalization options. On the account page, look for a section labeled Office Theme. This controls how the PowerPoint interface looks, not the design of your slides. Your slides will stay exactly the same. You're only changing the app's menus, ribbon, and background. When you open the Office Theme menu, you'll see several choices. Colorful is the default experience with the classic Microsoft accent color. White gives you a bright, clean look. Dark gray softens the interface with a muted dark tone that some people find more balanced. Black is the deepest dark mode and provides the most contrast, which many prefer for minimal glare. You may also see Use System Setting, which tells PowerPoint to follow your computer or browser's appearance preference automatically. If you're currently using system settings, your interface will change with your device theme. To turn dark mode on and keep it consistently dark, regardless of your device, choose the black option from the Office theme list. As soon as you select black, the interface will switch immediately. There's no need to restart or refresh. Ribbon tabs, sidebars, and backgrounds will adopt the dark palette, while your slides remain unchanged, so your presentation design is safe. If you decide later that you want a slightly lighter dark look, switch to dark gray. To return to the default, choose colorful or white. And if you prefer PowerPoint to track your device's appearance automatically, go back to Use System Setting. A quick tip, this theme setting usually carries over to other Microsoft 365 apps in the browser under the same account, making your workspace consistent across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. That's all there is to it. Open PowerPoint, go to Account, find Office Theme, and select Black to turn on dark mode.